So today I'm going to show you how to make a sliding knot on a bracelet. Basically this makes the bracelet adjustable and it's easier to take it on and off. I think this is the first time you guys have heard my voice, which is kind of weird. But it's basically just one knot. So what you're going to need is your bracelet. It should just be one strand. But I didn't have a bracelet in use, so I just used a random piece of string. But you should have on each side of the bracelet 2 knots that are about 1 inch or 2 inches apart from each other. So it should look like that. Now you're going to need a longer piece of string. This is what we're going to use to make the big sliding knot. Then you're going to put the 2 sides of the bracelet together. The middle part in between those 2 knots on either side is where the sliding knot is going to go and move. Those are kind of the boundaries. Then you're going to line up that new string up against the 2 strands and wrap that string over or on those 3 strands. It's difficult to explain. Just keep wrapping it, but make sure that your wraps are not tight because we're going to have to weave it through itself. Again, difficult to explain. But you can do about 3 to 6 knots. I think I did 3. After you've wrapped it a few times, you're going to take that last bit of string that you have and weave it through each of the circles. This is why you should make your circles a little bigger so it's easier to do this. I always have difficulty doing this, but I think once you do it a little more, it's pretty easy. Now you're going to take that other side of the new string that you had that was against the 2 pieces and pull that along with the string that you were originally holding. This is going to complete the knot, and you want to do this very, very, very slowly because it will not be equal if you do it fast. Then you can adjust it, make the knot like perfect, and keep pulling. But yeah, that's basically it for that part. Now Now it is just a little knot that's in between those 2 knots that you made on either side of the bracelet. This is how big or how small your bracelet will